Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. And as you can see here, we've got two different options which are connected with the resolution. So here we've got the ratio. We can pick 16:9, 1:1, or full option, up to you. All you have to do is to, of course, tap on the option and it will be immediately applied. And here we've got also the another option with frames per second. However, as you can see, in the 1:1 is not available, so let's simply pick 16:9, and here we've got UHD, FHD, and HD option. Again, up to you which one you want to use. Simply tap on the one you'd like to apply, and as you can see, the icon will change slightly, and it will always inform which one is currently applied, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution to record a video. Right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.